What up, what up? We are currently on our way to go mow Miss B's yard and see what kind of progress she's made so far. Remember, we put some fertilizer down a few weeks ago and then put a second application down just to see if we could boost the growth a little bit. We've had some pretty decent rain here over the last couple days, plus her watering schedule, so hopefully we should see some growth. It's definitely a struggling lawn. So I think eventually what I might do is do an actual soil test to see what is lacking. And when we do that, I'll obviously film it to show you guys that process, what a soil test does, and what kind of results we get back. 'Cause doing a soil test will really assist you in finding what fertilizers are necessary for your yard based on the elements that are missing in your soil. Your soil could be missing magnesium, it could be missing potassium, it could be whatever, but a soil test will tell you that, and then you can find a fertilizer that is geared towards putting those nutrients back into the soil. So I will see you guys in just a second. All right, we are here. Let's go see what she's got going on. It is definitely thickening up a little bit. It's thickening up pretty nice. It's going to take a while to get this yard nice and revived. You know what I mean? Because it's been struggling for so long. She's having her boys clean up the backyard for me. It's always really nice whenever a customer actually cleans up their yard before you get there and before you start. It's always really nice. But anyway, so grass is starting to grow pretty well. By this time next season, she should have a nice green yard. And we'll probably move her to weekly mows next year because we're gonna be pushing some fertilizer. The goal is to have her have the nicest yard on the street. So we'll see what we can do. You already know. Safety first. Our yard is looking much better. Still not a whole lot of grass to mow back here in the back, but like I said, by this time next season, she should have a nice full yard. We'll do some pre-emergent and then pump her yard full of fertilizer next year. I think I will do a soil test for her yard. That'll give us a really good idea where her soil sits, but yeah, we'll go from there. Go one more. Woo. You know the yard's starting to get healthy when you can finally see the lines. This is the first time in several months that I've actually been able to see the lines of my cut. And you can actually see the edging too. Oh yeah, you can finally see that edging. It's coming together. If you've been following my channel, my very first video was a cut of me doing her yard. And this yard was basically dead. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that one out. It's my very first video. So the quality's not great, but the yard was practically dead. And now, hey, and now it's looking really good. So, oh, sorry about that. Miss B caught me there at the very end. She said she's gonna make me some cookies, which is really nice. I appreciate that. Because, you know, I give Miss B free lawn care. So this is really just a cool thing to do. And it's because of y'all. It's because of your support that I'm able to give free lawn care. So thank y'all very much for your generosity. There's not very many of you right now. Hopefully there will be more of you soon, just to see the kind of service that we can give to people for free. It's fun to do this. And I really enjoy it because it's reactions that I get from people like Miss B, seeing their previously just dead lawn and seeing it come back to life and be nice and green. Seeing their reactions is why I do it. It's so great to see just the excitement from them. It's awesome. But I wouldn't be able to do it without y'all. So please like, comment, subscribe, do all the things to keep this thing going, to keep this channel growing, and so that I can continue to serve people like Miss B and give free lawn care and bring struggling lawns back to life. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.